After plucking, next process is drying. Sun dry for 25.
ஹாய் கைஸ், வெல்கம் பேக். நம்ம வந்து கூர்க் ட்ரிப் வந்து ரீசெண்டாக விசிட் பண்ணப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு துபாய் எலிஃபென்ட் கேம்ப் வந்து விசிட் பண்ணோம். அது வந்து ஒன் ஆஃப் த பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம வந்து விசிட் பண்ணிடும் மவுண்டைன் வியூ காஃபி பிளான்டேஷன். என்ட்ரி ஃபீஸ் வந்து பயங்கர ஜாஸ்தி. ஒரு பர்சனுக்கு வந்து 200 ருபீஸ் சார்ஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஒரு குழந்தைகளுக்கும் வந்து 200 மேலே சார்ஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஒரு ஃபேமிலி ஆஃப் 5 மெம்பர்ஸ் போனீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, மினிமம் வந்து என்ட்ரி ஃபீஸை நீங்கள் 1000 ருபீஸ் தரணும். 200 சார்ஜுக்கு என்ன ஆஃபர் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா, கைடட் டூர் இருக்குது. அவர் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ், ஹிந்தி, கன்னடா இது மாதிரி பல லாங்குவேஜ் வந்து பேசுகிற கைட்லாம் வச்சுருக்காங்க. நம்ம வந்து ஆட் பண்ணது வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுகிற வந்து ஒரு கைட் தான் ஆட் பண்ணோம். கைடட் டூர் முடிஞ்சு நம்ம வெளியில் வந்தோன்னே ஒரு கப் காஃபி தராங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்களே கடை வச்சுருக்காங்க. அங்கே வந்து ஸ்பைசஸ், சாக்லேட்ஸ், டீ தூள், காஃபி தூள், அதே மாதிரி ஒயின் எல்லாமே விற்கிறாங்க. நம்ம மினிமம் ஒரு அவங்க பேசுகிறதெல்லாம் பார்த்து ஒரு 2000 3000 நம்ம வந்து நிச்சயம் ஏதாச்சும் வாங்கிட்டு தான் வெளில வருவோம். நிறைய ஒயின் பாட்டில் வச்சுருப்பாங்க, அது சாம்பிள் தருவாங்க. ஆனால் அந்த இதோட மூடியிலே தராங்க. யூஸ் அண்ட் த்ரோ கப் கொடுத்தா நல்லாயிருக்கும். சாக்லேட்ஸ்லாம் நிறையா இருக்கும். நம்ம வந்து டேஸ்ட் பண்ணி பார்த்து நம்மளுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா வாங்கிக்கலாம்.
Two varieties of coffee. One is Arabica, another one is a Robusta. After plucking, next process is drying. Sun dry for 25 to 30 days. Sun dry. After that, we'll be pulping that. We'll be removing the outer skin. After that, we'll be roasting that seed. How much we roast, that much aromas will be getting. Only after roasting, the caffeine will be active. After that, we'll be crushing that. You heard about chicory? Chicory means one fruit tree's root. To increase the quantity and taste of a coffee, we'll be using that. If only coffee means it will be expensive, and caffeine will be high. To make that caffeine mild, we will be using chicory.
Chicory also same plant, huh?
No, that's another fruit tree.
Fruit trees.
It is from Rajasthan.
Okay. You are importing from there.
Yeah. Means you all drink filter coffees, no? Filter coffee is all from Robusta. Robusta is a high caffeine quality and bit cost effective. In Arabica, the caffeine will be mild. We'll be using in instant coffees like brew, sunrise and all. Caffeine will be mild. These all will be getting yearly ones called dicot beans. One bean, two seed. There is another variety called monocot that will be getting once in 3 years. Single bean, single seed. We will be using for Starbucks, cappuccino, cold coffee. That will be getting once in 3 years. That seed will be like creamy in taste. It will be oval in shape. There is another variety of coffee means green coffee. Green coffee means after drying, Arabica variety, after drying we will directly crush that. We will be not roasting that bean. If you have like migraine, headache, or you want to lose your weight naturally, fatty liver, cholesterol burning, it will be helpful. For sugar control also it will be helpful. Means there will be no caffeine in that. We should add like cloves, for flavors. It will be in a plain taste. If you use 1 tablespoon of green coffee powder, we can reuse same powder 3 times. Means for 3 times also it will be medicinal in that. If there is another variety coffee means coffee luwak, wild cat. Wild cat it will be eating the ripened coffee. It poops out. Means per kg it will be like 2.5 lakh rupees. Per cup of coffee it will be like 25 to 30,000. Coffee luwak. And come down.
இது ரோடு கிடையாது.
Monocot.
Single seed,
Arabica,
single bean.
right?
Single
Creamy
seed,
taste.
single bean.
Means like it will be like no caffeine in that.
No caffeine.
It will be the mild caffeine.
Coffee beans no caffeine, huh?
Taste pata, bay leaf, what we use in a biryani. Palaus and all. Here we only prefer the natural way as a sun dry.
Can I just pluck it?
Okay. After plucking, we'll be drying in the sun, then ready to use.
January harvested.
Oh,
Now next January.
Only once in a year.
Only once in a year, everything.
Everything.
Come on, the flower one pick one.
Once in 3 years.
Starbucks one.
These are normal Robusta Arabica. Once in
What will be the life of this coffee plant?
means one coffee plant's lifespan is up to 300 years.
300 years.
Yeah. You can see the plants now. It's all 80 plus, 100 plus years old.
100 plus years.
Plantation is older.
Okay.
That stem will
Means we can't identify.
By bark,
height will
you
be
can
same
get,
only.
get the age of plant by bark.
Yeah.
This will be this short only.
No, we will be maintaining, sir.
Okay,
If it
cutting and
grows high, it is very difficult to pluck.
Pluck,
So
yeah.
So every year you're trimming or something?
per year we'll be trimming like 4 times.
4 times. Right. Obviously.
You can see the pepper here. You can see that. Means you heard about white pepper. White pepper, black pepper, both are same.
Both are same.
After peeling the skin, inside we will be getting a seed. That is a white pepper. If you dry like this only, it's a black pepper. But nutrition varies. White pepper is only for Chinese dishes.
Why is it so tall? This tree is
No tree, it's a creeper.
It is a creeper only. Tree is only for support.
Support.
So here also,
Supporting
it
tree.
is only support.
These also will be getting once in a year crop. There is another variety called Budkan pepper, same as monocot, once in 3 years.
and it must be very pungent.
No, it is like a medicinal value is high, man. For throat infection, tongue infection and all, we should grind it, we should add with pure honey. Within 2 days, the infection will be curing. High medicinal value. Budkan pepper.
Sandalwood.
Sandalwood tree.
मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता था अरे कौन पिएगा
Here we have like 2 varieties of sandal. White sandal, red sandal. White sandal is only used to make some perfumes. You heard about Mysore sandal soaps. That are some white sandal and like pujas and all. Red sandal is only for medicinal users like face pack, face powder and all. To mature it takes up to 25 to 30 years. After planting, only after 8 years it starts growing sandal. Sandal will be in the center part. Means one sandalwood tree will be sold up to 12 to 15 lakh rupees after maturing.
It's allowed to outsiders to sell, only government to need to sell, right?
We should have license,
License.
growing license, export license. We
Okay.
should pay some taxes to the government.
सैंडल मींस सेंट्रल पोर्शन
No? Center portions, outer bark always.
gives the smell and all.
Smell.
Center one.
So outside it will not give
No.
அதான் எடுத்துட்டேன், நீங்கள் இங்கிட்டு வாங்க. வா.
అంతే అంతే అలాగే ఉండు అప్పుడు నేను ఫోటో
சரி இப்போ எடுங்க. Rudraksh. Where is the fruit?
You can see the fruit.
Okay.
You can see the fruit here, no? The Rudraksh
పలుకరా ఉన్న మరి
means it will be like a fruit after some time. Inside the fruit will be getting Rudraksh.
What is it?
Rudraksh.
Rudraksh.
It has a faces like 1, 3, 5. 1 and 5 it will be very rare. 3 will be common. But all will be getting in a single tree. This is from Nepal. One tree will be cost.
Nepal, yeah. The next question was like
Is that natural one? It will be like big tree. This is a hybrid one. From fruiting branch will be cutting and will be
get
planted.
Rudraksh from Nepal only.
Yeah. You can see the chili.
Small chili.
This
It will be very.
is the maximum size.
Very hot.
It will be 10 times spicier than the normal one.
10 times.
It's a Mexican chili, not the origin of India. It's a Mexican chili. Good for gastric and digestion problems. What we use, that's some show purpose flower, man.
అమ్మ ఇంక పారు
Okay. It's looking like a Kandari chili.
For using normal 110, we can use 3 of this. That much spicier it will be. Third spiciest chili in the world. Homemade chocolate, dark chocolate, cocoa.
Cocoa tree.
Cocoa
This also there is no pots.
Season started, man. You can see the flowers in the branch. Small flowers, no?
Yeah.
Fruit will be same as papaya.
Papaya.
Same, it will be like a papaya. Inside it will be multiple seeds.
Very small. It's very small. They can't like
Means processing will be same as coffee. We will be adding 70% cocoa, 30% sugar, jaggery or nuts. If 100% cocoa means we can't eat. It will be very bitter in taste. Means before the arrival of coffee, we will be using cocoa as a coffee. Taste will be similar.
This will be cheaper than coffee.
Cocoa is costlier.
See, taste will be similar to coffee, but rate not.
It's just like turmeric.
This one.
Leaves will be
Black cardamom, green cardamom, all same plant.
no, different. Means you can see the fruit here, no?
Yeah.
It has the sizes like 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm. 12 mm is almost exporting size. Black cardamom it will be bigger one, spiciest one, the sweetest one. You can see the leaf, no, it will be similar to haldi, turmeric.
Correct, turmeric.
Means black cardamom, green cardamom, haldi. It's all ginger families. From ginger, it is divided.
देखो उधर
ये इसके अंदर है, ये ऐसा हाँ
Pivada, man. Ripe fire. Ripe and red dark.
அது டைம் ஆகும்.
You can see the tree. That is a clove, lavang.
ओ लवंग ओ, ये देखो
क्राम्ब
वो एंड में जो भी है वो लवंग है.
Yeah, you can see the small flowers, no? That is a clove.
They become लवंग.
Yeah. Means what we get in the market, that all black and brown variety. This is a red clove, red variety. Means taste and nutrition wise, this is a better one, but rare. If you want to preserve this, we can preserve for 30 years also. There is no expiry date for this.
Then how do you plug here?
Ladder, sir. Means for clove, for pepper, all need ladders.